Hey guys, welcome back to Shortcuts to Success. It is Thanksgiving week, which means that it is fully fall here in Growing Zone 6. And I just wanted to come on here to just share with you guys how thankful I am for my husband for supporting me and my channel and my gardening. And I wanted to just tell you guys the story of these rain barrels because when I started gardening, I was just collecting buckets of rain just outside whenever it was raining. And my husband saw that I really wanted some rain barrels, and I was not expecting what came next, which are these 1,000-liter rain barrels. He really put in the work and did his research and delivered an amazing result that I was able to utilize throughout the whole growing season this year. And I just wanted to take you guys along the journey of him building this for me, and just in case you're looking into building your own, just kind of like a step-by-step of how he did it, and hopefully it will be helpful for you. My husband found these food grade 1,000-liter barrels on Marketplace. They each cost $100, including delivery. My husband, whose name, by the way, is Alex, and I will now refer to him by that, started out by digging a trench about a foot below ground to fit a drainage pipe for the overflow of rainwater. He then filled the trench with some rocks and placed the drainage pipe on the rocks and covered it with more rocks. And the purpose of that is to facilitate the water flow and then to prevent stagnant water and erosion. And I believe it also helps in the insulation of the drainage pipe, but don't quote me on that. So I did not film it, but he then also backfilled the trench with the dirt he had originally taken out to make the trench, if that makes sense. Now, for the next step, I would suggest asking a professional, as laying down a concrete slab is not as easy as Alex makes it out to be. After all, he does work in construction, hence all of the random tools that you're seeing here. So don't let him fool you thinking that it's easy. It is not. But if you are going to do it yourself, please wear the appropriate protective gear. Again, don't be like Alex. Sorry, babe. Love you. So this is a PVC pipe that is connected to that drainage pipe that we showed you earlier, and that way it would facilitate the overflow of the rainwater from the gutters to the barrel to the pipe. This is our home and we wanted something more permanent, but if you are unsure of the position, or if you're not allowed to add a concrete slab or anything permanent and expensive like a concrete slab, then cinder blocks and or bricks are your best friends. After laying down the concrete slab, we had to wait for, I believe, about a week for it to completely dry out so that it could be strong enough to hold the full barrels. And this is what they look like. I'm so happy. So, like I said, it is Thanksgiving week, hence all of the fallen leaves. But I wanted to show you guys pretty much how this works. When it rains, off of this roof, there is a gutter and it is attached to this barrel right here. And the two of them are connected through this little PVC pipe here. It has a little spigot and a valve here that is connected to this yellow hose, and this yellow hose is connected to the compressor. And whenever I needed to water our plants, then what I would do is connect a hose here, and then I would turn on the valve, then turn on the compressor right here. It is plugged into a regular outlet here, so that's how we worked it. And then I would just connect a hose and come and water the garden here. We are getting ready to just redo the whole garden, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on the new design and the new harvest to come. Right now the garden looks a little sad, but this is the best time for planning and preparing for next season. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks.
Bye.